Hello, my brothers and sisters of the coin. This is Seismic Sales with another episode of RJ Bullion eBay Live, episode 35. If you like Marvel, if you like Star Wars, if you like gold, you're not going to want to miss this. But first, check this out. Whoa! It's a G.I. Joe, a real American hero, lunchbox, made by Thermos. There is no Thermos inside, somebody stole it. But anyway, this is all jacked up. It's rusted everywhere, got scratches everywhere. It's going on my eBay store. I'm going to put it for about $9 auction for 7 days and see what we get. Second, I want to talk about we got 2 new subscribers this week. Thank you to the 2 new subscribers. To recap, I am over 50 and I did start stacking late in life, actually April 2023 this year, and I'm learning as I go. So welcome to the channel, and I hope I don't let you down. Here's the sound shake test. So RJ Bullion, if you did not know, they are a company that sells on the eBay Live platform. And in case you didn't know, eBay Live has auctions that are not 9 days, 7 days, or 3 days. These auctions are actually 30 seconds to 1 minute, and they go really fast. You can get some really good deals. You gotta check them out. I ordered these October 28th last month. I have my printout of the invoice ready so I can check off everything that's on the list. So let's get started. So each one of these were individually packed. They're really safe. They survived the shipping process. First out the box will be Captain Marvel and Black Widow. These are colorized coins, the shape of a triangle. When you get all of them together, here's Black Panther. When you get all of them together, they form like a pie or a pizza. They even come with a fancy display case. The Hulk. Hulk is one of my favorites, mostly because, my mom liked the Hulk. She always said he was like so bulky and cuddly. I don't know. Next is going to be Iron Man, which you see here. Then we're going to jump to a long time ago in a galaxy far away to Star Wars, The Mandalorian. This is Bo-Katan's spaceship. I thought it looked cool, so I bought it. The Gauntlet Starfighter. We'll open that in a second. Okay, ladies, calm down. Chris Hemsworth, Thor, is next. Don't know why all the ladies like him. It's not like he's like Brad Pitt or something. Next is Captain America. Check this guy out. It looks like he has like fish scales on the back. So opening the box, I got excited and my knife went straight through. Got lucky, nothing was injured or scratched on the inside. And I got a nice RJ Bullion pen. I'll be using that to mark off my invoice. And it's a good thing I didn't puncture all the way through with the knife, because it has next item is a really cool display box for the Avenger coins. Let's open it up and see. Really nice piece of felt. And ooh, wow. Yeah, this is awesome. Avengers, 60 years of Earth's mightiest. So smooth. Let's try to take it out the box and see how the bottom part looks. Bottom also has felt to prevent slippage. Reads NewZealandMint.com with the Avenger logo in the center. Marvel. Nice. And have you noticed I don't see any of my fingerprints on it? That's a bonus. Next, let's crack open this thin package. You all know what's inside here. My knife is dull, apologies. But we do have some silver and some gold. I see gold. All right, let's take a look. First one is the Vader coin. My first Vader round I bought was from an estate sale a couple weeks ago. I'll put the link below. That one didn't have the extended lightsaber. This one, he has his lightsaber already extended. Next is the Engelhard American Prospector round, minor round. It's in a lollipop package. Engelhard, 1 troy ounce. Out of these past few months, I've been buying all these new rounds and new coins. It feels good to buy something from the past to, add it to the stack. And a lot of these eBay Live auctions do have, old bullion rounds, old coins available for auction. Next is the gold. 2022 Cook Island Bounty, 1/10 ounce. The premium on these were a lot cheaper than American Gold Eagles. I usually buy only Eagles. And when I saw these going fast, I figured I'd grab a few. To get these out, to test them, yes, I test every single one. It's a little hard to get them out. Stick to the end and I'll show you how I did it. The last two are 1/10 American Gold Eagles, 2023. I'm just buying enough to fill a tube, and I probably won't buy any more of the 10th ounces, and I'd just probably stick to 1 ounces or half ounces, but I just wanted to grab these to fill up my tube. I'm not going to lie, when I arrived to the auction, this was about to end. I thought it was a Mandalorian spaceship. I placed a bid, and I won, but I'm still happy with it. Bo-Katan's Gauntlet Starfighter. Let's take a look at the sides. Listen to the magnet. Yeah, I like strong magnets. Means it'll keep it closed. There was only mintage of 3,000 of these. Seems a little high to me. I would like it to be in the 1,000 or so, or 1,500. For the unveiling, the spaceship has its own unique capsule. And to get the coin out, New Zealand made it easy for us. All you have to do is press the bottom and then the top part pops up. Pretty easy, huh? Take a look. So you press it and then, yeah, watch. Yep, there you go. Pretty easy. The detail that New Zealand Statement put into this 1 ounce coin is amazing. Look, it's so clean and crisp. You can see from the exhaust to the tip of the spaceship, everything is detailed. And the other side, you'll see the $2 2023 denomination, the frosted back. So the other side is proof and this one's frosted. If you made it this far and you like what I'm doing, please hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate all the help you guys have been doing. Each subscribe and like and share helps me get my channel out. Thanks again for all the support. Let's check out Thor's colorized coin. There's a white border surrounding it. It looks like he has boobs. He's got boobs. All right, flip it over. There goes the denomination, $2. Nice and shiny. I have not decided if I'm going to take them out of the plastic, but I will put them in the display case for now. Next coin is going to be Captain America. Blue, white, red. It looks kind of basic to me. It doesn't look like he's fighting. It looks like he's charging somebody. Plus his outfit looks like he has blue scales, like blue Aquaman or something like that. He goes in the display case, and next is Iron Man. We all like Iron Man, don't we? The red and the yellow does look kind of cool. In my eyes, the yellow and red just sticks out to me. Maybe because one of my first bikes was a yellow Ducati, and then my third bike was a red Ducati. So yellow and red, my favorite colors. I'm not mad at it. And the Black Panther looks like he's charging at you, but I don't really see his claws. They could have did a better job with his claws, or gave him claws. The white background, the white border does pop with his uniform and the streaks in the back. I'm okay with this one. Next up is the Hulk. Roar, smash, grab, stack. Yeah, this one looks cool. Look at that purple background with the green and his hair. Look at that. This and his teeth just want to bite you. Yeah, this is one of my favorite ones. The colors pop. It's the Hulk. There you go, buddy. We got Captain Marvel next. And the way they have her positioned is she's not fighting anybody. She's not charging anybody. You know, she's just kicking it, standing for maybe an Instagram photo. We will put Captain Marvel away. And up next is Scarlett Johansson, Black Widow. The orange in the background does pop with her blue suit. She is actually charging. She's coming at ya! And her red hair pops with her suit, as well as the white border. Not bad. I like it. These are a tight fit only because I have the plastic wrap around each coin. There you have it. Marvel Avengers 60th anniversary set of 7 1-ounce silver coins, all together in one display case. Each Avenger showing off their moves, their attack skills, their charging skills, their Instagram photo ops. Yeah, take a look. I enjoyed this very much. Hope you liked my review of RJ Bullion, the Avengers 60th coin set, Bo-Katan's ship. Please comment below if you would keep them in the display case or you put them back in the boxes. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. It helps me out. Stick for the end to see how I remove that tight coin from that capsule. You guys, as promised, separating the two pieces are easy. You just pull them apart. But there is another piece of plastic covering, or that's on the inside, right? And you can't get a knife in there or anything. So what I did was, all I did was slammed it a few times, and there you go, see the plastic. And then now your gold coin is ready to be tested with your Sigma. All right, you guys, this is Seismic Sales. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Please subscribe.